Hello, traders. Welcome to Atlant Insight Trading Course. Atlant Insight is a platform helping traders to become a professional trader in the stock market. And I'm John, your stock market trading coach. In this tutorial, I will show you one of the easiest to understand and reliable trading indicators in which you can utilize to spot out trading setups opportunities in the stock market. The truth is, there are lots of trading indicators, but mostly 2/3 of these indicators are lagging. And not all are easy to understand to implement, especially for beginners in the market. I will educate you on how to effectively implement the Zigzag indicator in this tutorial. I believe you know how to implement this trading indicator on your trading chart. So let's go ahead and apply it on this trading chart, which is the chart of the stocks of Apple. So what is the Zigzag indicator all about? The Zigzag indicator is a basic tool that traders can use to find out when a financial instrument trend is reversing. The indicator helps by determining the support and resistance zones in the market. The Zigzag is also a technical indicator that measures the swing highs and swing lows of a market. It can also help to identify significant changes, thereby eliminating the small price movements on the trading chart, and this gives you the ability to see the bigger picture. The Zigzag indicator parameters settings are very important in order to cover enough price data. Therefore, ensure the indicator parameters are not set too tight so that it can display zigzag waves on your chart. These are the Zigzag parameters input that you may need to figure out. They are depth and the deviation settings. The depth refers to how far back in the chart bar series it will look. In order to get the highs and lows defined, you need to make sure you have enough depth. While the deviation is what percentage in price change does it take to change the trend line from positive to negative. It's important to play around with these parameters until you find the ones that suit your trading style. Remember, if the parameters are set too tight, you can have a lagging zigzag effect. Take note. We want to have a broader view of what the true swing high and swing low are. When you get the Zigzag parameters, there are 3 settings you should put into consideration, and they are: 1. Price symmetry should give you a nice and uniformly matched wave harmonic, namely the AB equals CD pattern. 2. Wave depth, which should give you a good depth of waves between the swing highs and lows. 3. Stepping price level, which should make sure that you're able to spot a trend. So let's set the Zigzag indicator settings at 10 for the depth and 5% for the deviation. Take note, there are 3 strategies to apply to trade the Zigzag indicator, and they are: 1. The chart pattern application strategy. 2. The Elliott wave application strategy. 3. The Fibonacci application strategy. To effectively trade this indicator, or to apply any of the 3 strategies with the Zigzag indicator, you need to have the basic understanding of one of the most reliable price action candlestick patterns. The application of price action candlestick patterns will help you to stack the odds in your favor. These price action candlestick patterns would be our guide at each swing of the Zigzag indicators. I will first educate you on the chart pattern application strategy approach through the implementation of the Zigzag indicator. We can see on the chart of the stock of Apple, after an aggressive price movement appreciation from the swing low here, the Zigzag indicator gave a double top chart pattern formation swings at this high. And price made a bearish gap below the neckline of this double top formation. The Zigzag indicator revealed the double top chart pattern, and we can see how price transformed into a bearish trend. There was a bullish pullback of price here, and price tested the neckline of the previous double top. The Zigzag indicator marked the tested neckline as a potential swing low high, and we can see how this stock obeyed the Zigzag marked price level. Price resulted in a strong bearish move downward. The bullish pin bar price action candlestick pattern confirmed the marked swing low of the potential reversal on the Zigzag indicator. We can see how the price of the stock was reversed upward. Now the Zigzag indicator made another swing mark level here. there wasn't any bearish price action candlestick pattern. So this setup does not have a confluence factor supporting a bearish movement of price. It's advisable to neglect such swing marked level. Take note, not all swings marked by the zigzag indicator you have to trade. Make sure you relate each marked swing's level with other technical application strategies for approaching the zigzag indicator trade setup opportunities. We can see, due to the absence of confluence factors, sellers were not able to move the price of the stocks lower. The zigzag marked another swing level, and this time there was a formation of a bullish inside price action candlestick pattern. But the most defined level to have applied the zigzag indicator should have been after the breakout of the last swing low high here. Also, application of the chart pattern strategy in conjunction with the zigzag revealed the inverse head and shoulder chart pattern formation here. Technically, an inverse head and shoulder after a strong bearish move suggests a potential bullish move. Here comes the neckline of this chart pattern. And we can see how it led into the strong bullish move on the stock of Apple. This is how to implement the zigzag indicator for trade opportunities through the combination of the chart pattern application strategy.